In this video we will learn how to fix reference in Excel formula so that it will not change when we drag it. In other words, how to set absolute reference in Excel formula. So let's start. Open Excel in your computer. We have already created data for our video. Open Excel file. Now we have this column A. It contains scores by a group of students. We will add sum of it to score of every student. In column B we have scores that were scored by students individually. In column C we have name of students. In column D we will calculate final score of individual student. Now let's start. Click on cell D2. Press equal to sign. Type sum and press tab key. Select individual score of Ravi Sharma. Press plus sign. Select all numbers in column A. Now after selecting press F4 key. If you have function key on your keyboard you may need to press Fn and F4 key. This will add $sign before row and column references. You can type $sign by pressing Shift and 4 keys manually. Press Enter key. Now click on F4 cell and go to formula bar to check if correct calculation is done. Now drag formula. Only individual score will change and group score will remain constant. Let's double click here. You can see individual score of Manisha Das is added with group scores. So formula worked as expected. That's all. Subscribe to the channel. Like and share this video.